On December 6, 2016, we published information that the pyramid was a perfect representation of our planet and that the builders of the pyramid knew the laws of universal gravitation more than 6,000 years ago. Here, as announced in this video, the evidence that Antarctica is the famous Atlantis, and that the meridian of Greenwich commemorates and secretly indicates its capital. 2 years ago, the independent researcher Jean Saint-Paul had discovered that the plane of the pyramid was a precise plan of the Earth, and has indicated the position of the Antarctic before and after its displacement. With this information, we discovered under the ice 2 places which correspond perfectly to the geographical description made by Plato. We suspected that the meridian of Greenwich commemorated Atlantis in its present position, as the pyramid commemorated its ancient location. On November 28, 2016, we discovered that the Greenwich meridian is a sacred longitude, created by the builders of the pyramid more than 6,000 years ago and imposed secretly today. It was thanks to the discovery on the pyramids of Xi'an in China, which were also correlated with Orion, and the very precise longitude of 108.6 degrees, which was a signature of the builders. After another check on the 3 pyramids of Caral in Peru, which are among the oldest in the world, we discovered that they were also correlated with Orion and a longitude of 108.6 degrees to Giza. This desired and voluntary settlement indicated that the longitude of 31.13 degrees west of Giza corresponded to our current meridian of Greenwich. Thanks to this discovery, we re-examined the plan of the Great Pyramid, because it was certain that this information was to be there. We understood that the longitudes had to be read exactly as on a terrestrial globe and not as a flat plane, and we therefore decided to recalculate everything. And the extraordinary happened. The 2 points indicated by the chevron of the king's chamber, which symbolized an arrow, fallen exactly on the cities of Atlantis, and that the point in the center of this arrow indicates exactly the meridian of Greenwich. And like the meridian of Greenwich, indicates the solar time of reference to the whole planet, here is how it was necessary to read the plan. Here is the pyramid ion, which symbolizes the sun. Its radius, which passes exactly in the center of the arrow, is the meridian of Greenwich. You can find the complete study on this web address. Thank you and Merry Christmas.